Status of June 2022. How did we perform? How many new views have we gotten on YouTube? We have gotten 4.1k impressions in June, which is a lot more than last month. And it looked like it kept kind of high for our channel for the entire month, so it's not because of a single spike. Other than that, we have gotten 234 views on our long videos on YouTube in our 6th month, which is almost 4 times the amount as last month. Our impressions click-through rate decreased from 3.3 to 3.2, which is almost the same, but it is still kind of low and we need to think more about our thumbnails or titles to get a higher click-through rate. How many new subscribers have we gotten? We have gotten 15 new subscribers in this month, which means that we have a total of 20 subscribers. This is 4 times as many compared to what we had in May, so it is nice to see that people are starting to like our videos a bit. Compared to last month, we had 46 unique viewers. This month we had 397, so it's a lot more than last month. How much have we earned on YouTube? To be able to earn money on YouTube, you will have to get into YouTube's partner program, which requires to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within the last 12 months. As you can see here, we still need 980 subscribers more and 3988 watch hours more, as we have only gotten 12. Here in June, our average view duration was almost the same, but hopefully we can bring it higher and increase our retention as well. Right now we almost don't have enough views/data to get a retention graph, but will hopefully be better in the future. How many new views on short videos? We started creating shorts the 22th of June and posted one every day for the rest of June. Here we have gotten a total of 248 views, which seems kind of small for short videos, so we might need to reconsider the short format a bit. Our shorts also gained us 3 new subscribers out of the 15 new in total. What have we done this month to improve the future of the channel? How many new videos have we made? In June we published 5 new long videos and have uploaded a total of 31 long videos to the channel. We also published 9 new short videos and have uploaded a total of 9 short videos to the channel. What else have we done to improve the channel? We have kept looking into titling and thumbnails and have tried to make an account on Video IQ as well to hopefully learn it faster and get some better statistics with keywords as well. We try to create short videos where we post them on all our social media channels with a link to one of our long videos. It helped a bit with a few more views on those videos, but only less than 5 so far, so it doesn't seem to work that well yet. But it is still 5 more views on a video which didn't get any more traffic from YouTube. Other than that, we are still early on our journey and just trying to learn, where we will keep trying to focus on streamlining videos to be able to know how to produce them without wasting too much time, as this will help our daily life a lot and help us to potentially start even more passive income streams that we can share on this channel. It is also important for us to keep figuring out what each of us like working with regarding the channel, as we both need to use it for our advantage, but also because we think it is important that it is fun to do. If it just feels like a duty, then you have just locked yourself into a second job. We don't want that. We want it to be fun and fill us with energy. How much have we earned and how much have we spent on the channel this month? For this month it is the same as last month, so if you want to see it you can pause the video here, otherwise you will have to see us go through it in one of our previously monthly updates. What will we do next month to improve the channel? Every month we will keep making videos that are better than the previous ones. We want to keep improving our content. We currently don't have any milestones we want to achieve yet. As long as we keep getting better, we are happy and we believe that the results will follow. After having created a lot of videos together with short videos and seeing our videos not performing that well yet and our retention cutting off fast before even getting to our content, then we have reflected on how we can make our videos better. But for this month we didn't have any time to make our videos better as our schedule was so tight with new videos. Because of this we will start to post videos less frequently and aim for a long video every second week, so we can focus on getting better at adding more energy to the videos, improving our animations and storytelling skills. Right now we didn't have time to improve any of it, where we believe that our channel will grow the fastest if we increase our video quality more at this point than our quantity. We might change this mindset later, but for now we want to make better videos. We also feel that in our current state these monthly updates don't give you guys much value, as we don't move that fast yet. What you see in these videos are mainly just us reflecting on how to get better and what we can do next. Because of this, we will also make them less frequently and change this to quarterly updates instead of monthly. Then if things start to move quicker, then we might go back to monthly updates again. If you are still here, we would like to thank you very much for listening through our entire video. We hope you enjoyed it. We will try to be as transparent as possible with our channel. So if you're interested in seeing our passive income hunt from zero, then you're welcome to subscribe to our channel and follow along on our next update.